The pros and cons of black bathroom fixtures. Dear friends, are black bathroom fixtures in style? Absolutely. Black bathroom fixtures have become a favorite in modern design due to their sleek, minimalist look and ability to make a bold statement. These fixtures are especially popular in modern bathrooms with black fixtures, where the goal is to create a clean, chic space. They bring a sense of sophistication and can be adapted to a wide range of design preferences. Do black bathroom fixtures have pros and cons? Here's a quick breakdown. Pros of black bathroom fixtures. Modern and stylish look. Black fixtures instantly add a sleek, contemporary feel that can elevate the overall design of a bathroom. Versatile design. They pair well with almost any color palette: white, gray, wood tones, marble, or bold colors. Timeless elegance. Unlike trendy finishes that fade in popularity, matte black tends to maintain its appeal. Great contrast. They create striking contrast in light-colored bathrooms and add depth to darker spaces. Durability of matte finishes. Matte black often resists fingerprints and water spots better than polished chrome or stainless steel. Low maintenance aesthetic. Minor scratches or wear are often less noticeable compared to shiny finishes. Cons of black bathroom fixtures. Shows soap scum in hard water. In areas with hard water, black can highlight white mineral deposits, requiring regular cleaning. Limited availability. Some fixture types or brands may not offer black finishes, reducing your choices compared to chrome or brushed nickel. Style commitment. Black fixtures make a bold statement. If your style changes, they may feel harder to match with future updates. Potential fading, chipping. Lower quality finishes can fade or chip over time, especially if harsh cleaning products are used. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.